warm up na po, batang for third. Players come, bago sila. So, warm up. So much. YouTube, pag YouTube. May the best team win. You're not subscribed yet. Please subscribe to my channel. Please don't skip the ads. Thank you and exciting matchup between, phase 10 and hindi ko pa alam yung isa ko anong phase. I'm so sorry. Okay, yung kalaban pala ay phase 3 bago sila. Warm up na po. Yan na yung mga phase 3. Nag-warm up na sila, guys. Siguro hindi natin makakompleto yung laro nila. Highlights lang per set. Tapos meron tayong ipinaka-i-cover yun. Championship match. Hindi naka-play. Ayan na, play na. Pak! Aura! 1, 2, 3, go. 1, harap! Pak! Pak! Good luck, girls! And of course, ang mga officiating, kilala natin din. Kaya Facebook ko sila kayo naalala ko. Yan si Ate, line judge, si Kuya Burns, referee Burns. So in a bit, we will start the ball game. Good luck, guys. First serve coming from Payton. Anna Miller, who's from outside. Satilia again for the service deck. We are now watching the battle between Phase 3 Bagong Silang versus Phase 10 Bagong Silang battle for third. First set, Mikey Verador. Anna Miller, once again, Mikey Verador. Check. Able to save the ball. Point awarded to Phase 2. Now serving number 16 from Phase 3. Nice save by Mikey, pero wala na score. Awarded to Phase 10. Now serving number 3. Mikey Verador again. Check out. Powerful attack coming from Mikey Verador. Now serving Anna Miller. Latilla, nice dug up. Walburo. Inulog pero sumaba outside. Once again, Anna Miller, the service deck. Dagabay Bello, the libero. Mikey approaching. Once again, ano ba? Mikey, Verador. Anna Miller again. To the libero. Nice attack by the opposite. Number 18. Number 18, Erasca. Nice attack. Now serving number 8, Alburo. Dagabay. Number 17, the libero, Phase 3. Perfect drop coming from Verador. The main player of Phase 3B. Latilla. To Irasga. Top spin. Ooh, miscommunication between Braga and Verador. Now serving number 18, Erasga. Perfect defense by the Libero. Perfect receive. Latilla. To 27 Plaza. Tyra. Nice attack by Tyra. Mendes. What a rally. Drop. Reggie is there. Sumobra. Score awarded to Pistons. Check ball. Score now is tied at 7. 7 all, guys. Drop. Sayang. The libero is almost there. Pero hindi niya na-save. Nice attack by JR. Score now is all 8 in our first set. Grabe, higpit talaga ng laban kahit third set. Ay kahit battle for third. Talagang intense, walang gustong bumitaw. Now serving number 29 from Payson. Tyra, matake, outside. Net violation committed by Alburo of Payson. Gagabay the libero Bello. JR Platilla was blocked. Mikey, atake. Perfect attack by Mikey. Outside. Score now is 12. Not overserved. Ace coming from JR Platilla. Score now is tied at 12. Plaza. Now serving number 3. Again, perfect block by Alburo. Not over. Score now is 19-17. Lamang na po ang phase 3 bago sila. Now serving. Outside then, 19-18. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng phase 3. Serving number 29 from Payson. Tyra. Number 18 is there. JR Platilla. Nice gift coming from number 2 Platilla. Score now is 19 all. Tyra with the top speed. Platilla. Nice attack by Platilla. 2019 lamang na po ang phase 10. Brainy moves coming from number 3. 21-19. Okay, score now is 22-19. Warning! 19. Last two na po ang Payson. 23-20. 3 points advantage by Team Payson. Now serving by Tyra. Nice D by Reggie. Drop. Set to the open. JR Platila again. Mikey sa gitna. Ooh. 23-21. 2 points advantage by Pace 10. Drop. Platila, kinaliwa. Grabe, tapang talaga ni Platila. JR. And Azra is there. Platila. Reggie is like a long rally. Yes, we are still. This calculated by Mikey. Score now is last one. 24-21. Still in favor, Payton. Now serving, JR Platila. Ace! Congratulations, Payton. They have got the first set. So, back to the ball game. 3-1 na po. Lamang ang Pace 3. Second set na po tayo, guys. Naga by Reggie Lang Samana. Seth Pestolan. Tapos Ping Mendez. Mikey. Score now is 4-1. Lamang pa rin po ang Pace 3. Medyo nagtataraya na sila, guys. Naman pa rin ang Pace 3. 6-2. Sess is there. Now serving again, Anna Miller or Gregorio. Turning. Nice serve. Ace serve. Mikey Venador. Score now is 9-2. Still in favor of Pace. Service again by Mikey Venador. Score now is 11-5. 6-point advantage by Team Pace 3. Tyra atake. Nice attack. Tyra. Service by Braga. They are Patilla. Score awarded to Pace 10. Sess. JR. Oh, nice defense by Reggie Laksamana. Still playable. Easy over by Plaza. Chance ball to Pace 3. Perfect grab by Tyra Mendez with her pasarela. Score now is 13-8. Lamang pa rin po ang Pace 3. Yeah, we are now watching the battle for third for Bagong Silang Caloocan Mayor's Cup here in Pace 2 Complex. Sayang, pag-save. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please don't skip the ads, guys. Outside, 14-9. Lamang pa rin po ang Pace. For the third time, Tyra serving. Still in favor of pace 3. Mikey. Back to Mikey. Grabe yun. First line. Alburo. Pero depensahan na maganda ni Alburo. Middle. Miscalculated. Once again, Mikey Verador kinaliwa. 18-13. Sorry, it's 18-12. Now serving from pace 10. Alburo. Anna Miller, perfect attack. Serving Anna Miller, Gregorio. Tagabay Bello, the libero. Nice save by Seth to Mikey once again. Grabe. Iba-iba yung variation na pinapakita ni Mikey Verador sa kanyang mga attack. 2012. Score now is 22-14. Lamang pa rin ng phase 3. Oh, not over, sir. Sayang. 22-15. Dating second set. Grabe, ganyan na pinapakita ni Reggie Laksaman. Excellent. Excellent digs. Receive and defense. Check ball. Point awarded to team Pace 10. 22-17 is the score now. Hindi mo na lang po ang kalamangan ng Pace 3. Grabe, what a long rally. Joining 17. Alburo. Drop sa gitna. 23-18. Pyra. Uy, grabe yun. Nice attack from the opposite, Erasga. 23-19. Nice block from Pace 10. 23-20, dumidikit na po ang Pace 10. 23-21. Tyra. Erasga. Blocking by Pace 3. Last one. Tyra Mendez serving. 1-1 na po ang standing natin, guys. Decision set coming up next. Okay, final and decision set. Nice defense pa rin talaga ni Reggie Laksamana. Grabe, unstoppable Mike Iberador. 2-0 is the score now in our third set. Now serving Diana Mendez. Mikey once again, grabe. Ibabaw siya. Yes, serving Diana Mendez. Outside score awarded to Pastry. Score now is 4-0. Or 1. To final score sa ating third set. Score now, 5-3 sa ating third set. Hannah Miller, miscalculated by Gregorio. Not over. Grabe talaga. Iba-ibang atake ni Mikey Iberador. Meron sa Zone 1, meron sa Zone 5, may drop ball sa gitna. Grabe. Very flexible player. Nice serve by Dwayne. Too strong outside. The score now is 7-4. Lamang pa rin po ang Pastry. Nice. Tyra. Nice attack by Diana. Tyra, Diana Mendez. Score now is 11-7, lamang pa rin po ang Pastry. Back set to Irazga. I believe change court na. 13-7. Change court. Lamang pa rin po ang Pastry sa ating third set. Third and final set. Back to the ball game. 7-3. Lamang pa rin po ang Pastry. Irazga block. Oh, bumawi. Grabe. Meron talagang part na bulag sila or silaw sila sa sikat ng araw. Ces Pestolante. Nice attack. Perfect attack by number 4, Toledo. Lumalabot na po ang kalamangan ng Pastry, 15-7. Back to the ball game. Daga by Libero Bello. Reggie. That violation committed by the paste and blocker. In the middle, Alburo. Nice attack pero lakas na ng depensa ng Pastry. Sa tila. To Irazga. Outside! Back row attack by Platila is effective. Score now is 17-8. Still in favor of Pastry. 18-10 ang ating score now. Nice defense by Ate Bello. Tyra once again with his very manipis spike. 19-10, malabo pa rin ang halamangan. So lumiliwanag ang buhay sa Pastry pero not overserved by Tyra. Service by Julius, number 3, Matarag. Uy, grabe set. Ganda na. off a set. Score now is 21-11. 22-13, lamang pa rin ang pace. Service, Cargado. Oh, nice defense by Bello. It's still playable, guys. Nice duck. Away from pace 10. Sarado daw ang bangko. Oh, outside attack by Mike Carador. Score now is 22-15. 7 point na lang po ang kalamangan ng Tasty. Ngayon, 6 points na lang. 22-16. Back to the ball game. Perfect. Breaking Wolves. Coming from Mikey Carador. Back sa kay Razga. Mikey is there. Question na yung ginalibero ng Pastry. Match point for Pastry. Match point, long serve by Mikey Verador. Grabe, tapa. Still playable. Tyra with the drop. Top spin, sorry. Nice daga by Cespedes.